Rowdy, get him, boy. Get him, boy. Get him, nigga.
How many bitches wanna die today? Wanna die today? Now tell me how many snitches wanna die today?
Nigga.
Just come around my way.
Nigga.
Hey, worry about saying shit. You ain't even playing with this. Fucking put them spraying, ain't nothing playing with. Yeah, bitch, you be laying with it, leading there, bleeding there. Guess what? Your homeboys, they gon' leave you there. Cause they don't care, they scared of us. Fact one is you ain't never been prepared to bust.
Huh.
You ain't tough, you ain't even close. I'm off the leash and I'm leaving ghosts. Y'all toast, man. I call you breakfast. Rich, look at my necklace. It's platinum, cause I keep it cracking. What's happening? That's what I say when I answer the phone. Or what it is, what it do with your bitch on the dome. You shouldn't leave her alone, cause you know how I do. I stay spitting that game when what I'm rapping is true. I'm telling truth like they have me on a lie detector. Coming through and I supply the sectors. I'm zone 6 in it. You on your pippin' shit, cause you on the fucking side. Me, I'm in the driver's seat, the wheel, and I be cool and ride. Yeah, you know I'm about to dip on the low. How many bitches that I get done suck my dick on the low? I take them to the bathroom in the club, put the video camera on and toss a 10-piece, $100. And tell that bitch that I'm a running on the internet. And then when I told her that, instantly she be getting wet. Wow. Kill the whole beat. That's good.
Nigga, but you can't see my face, nigga. I'm in fucking view.